This Women's Month, we honor the courage of Filipino women who, despite the pain of leaving home, choose to be strong for their loved ones, for their families, and for a better future. Behind every remittance lies a story of sacrifice, a quiet longing for home, carried across distance and sustained by love. Today, we celebrate not just workers, but dreamers, builders, women of purpose, transforming their journeys into something greater, a future they shape not only for themselves, but for their families and their communities. It is not the distance that defines her, but the quiet sacrifices she endures. It is not the challenges she faces, but the courage within her that tells her story.
Proud na nagawa mong manalo on the regional level.
Congratulations! At isang mahigpit na yakap.
Ang kanyang determinasyon ay hindi lamang inspirasyon sa amin.
A Filipina OFW rises again and again, proving that life does not end with distance, but begins anew, more meaningful than ever when she returns home.
Sabi mo at lagi mong tatandaan na nandito lang kami at pinagmamalaki ka namin at sobrang saya ko at maraming salamat.
Because of you, natutunan ko ang tunay na kahulugan ng isang pagmamahal.
Thank you, Mama, for everything. KM, Kiji, Shine, Joy, Papa Dan, Ira, and Azzy. Love you so much. I love you, Mama. We love you always. Thank you.
Mahal ka namin. Huwag kang mag-alala. Nandito lang kami palagi. We love you. At good luck. God bless.
I love you, Sisi.
Lord, for giving me a mama like you. I love you more than words can explain, Ma. I love you always and forever.
Maraming salamat dahil ikaw na ang tumayong ama't ina sa aming anak mong tatlo. At salamat sa pagtataguyod mo kahit mahirap.
I'm just so proud of you. I mean, hindi ko ma-express kung gaano ako ka-proud as your daughter. And I truly believe na deserve mo lahat ng to.
Maraming salamat dahil nagtiyaga siya, nagtrabaho, para lang matulungan kami, matulungan mga kapatid niya.
Mula sa puso ko, Mama, maraming salamat sa lahat ng sakripisyo mo. Mahal na mahal po kita at sobrang proud ako sa iyo. I love you so much, Mama Lot. Ikaw ang aming lakas at inspirasyon. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Keep doing what you love. We are always here to support you.
Nandito lang kami mga pamilya mo, kapatid mo. Ako, nandito lang ako para sa iyo.
Her journey is a testament to power, where strength turns dreams into reality. Sa ating mga kababaihang OFW, maraming salamat sa inyong sakripisyo. Inspirasyon po namin ang inyong mga kwento.